The Old Guitarist by Pablo Picasso. Title: The Old Guitarist, Artist Pablo Picasso. Medium and technique: oil on panel, painted in the blue period with monochromatic tones and elongated form to express sadness and hardship. Dimensions: 122.9 by 82.6 cm or 48.4 by 32.5 inches. Date of work: 1903 to 1904. Provenance: painted in Barcelona during Picasso's blue period. Owned by several private collectors. Donated to Art Institute of Chicago, where it remains today. How does Picasso's personal grief influence the mood and subjects of the painting? Picasso created this work during his blue period, shortly after the death of his close friend. His sadness is evident in the painting's melancholic mood, shown through the gold blue tones, the fragile figure, and the sense of isolation. The old man's thin, bent body conveys sorrow, hopelessness, and emotional pain, mirroring Picasso's inner state at that time. What clues in the artwork reflect the socio-political conditions of early 1900s Spain. A poor, blind guitarist represents the struggles of the lower class in Spain during a time of social and economic instability. Poverty, unemployment, and inequality were widespread, and the painting highlights the vulnerability of those most affected. The guitarist worn clothing and frail body symbolize hardship and neglect. Why is this painting a strong example of the contextual plane in art analysis? This painting is a strong example of the contextual plane because its meaning goes beyond visual elements. It connects Picasso's personal tragedy with broader social realities. Understanding his emotional state and Spain's socio-political climate depends on the viewer's interpretation, showing how art is shaped by both personal and historical context.